Hello friends, I am Priyanka. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Banglar Sera Rannaghor. I hope you are all well. Today I will share a great Bengali dish called Shukto. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. If the channel not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. So friends, let's begin with this recipe. Let's take a look at the ingredients needed for a Shukto recipe. Half cup mustard oil, salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon dried red chili powder, half cup sunlight lentil dumplings or called Dalr Bori, 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 piece cut potato, 1 piece cut radish, 4 cut pieces drumstick, 1 cut piece green banana, 2 green chili, 1 cut piece brinjal, 1 cut piece carrot, 2 cut piece bitter gourd, half cup mustard paste, 2 teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon 5 seasoning spices, 2 dried red chili and 1 bay leaf, half cup milk, 2 teaspoon cashew nut paste and 2 teaspoon poppy seed paste, 1 teaspoon fried Radhuni powder. It available all groceries store. First put half cup mustard oil in the pan. Now the oil is hot. I added all the vegetables one by one and get deep fry all the vegetables. Potato, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, next green banana, next radish and drumstick, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, next sunlight lentil dumplings, Dalr Bori and carrot, next brinjal, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, next bitter gourd, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. The vegetables are all deep fried now. I get 5 teaspoon mustard oil in the pan. Now the oil is hot. I added first 5 seasoning spices. 1 bay leaf, 2 dried red chili, it's fry for 1 minute. Next, ginger paste. It's fried 1 minute. Ginger paste are fried now, and I added 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Next, added all the fried vegetables. Next, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, green chili, mustard paste, Cashunut and poppy seed paste, and milk. Mixed well all the spices and fried vegetables for 5 minutes. Okay. It's 5 minutes now. I added 1 teaspoon sugar. That I forgot to add ingredients list. Now I added 4 cup water and covered the pan for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now. I open the pan. Now I added 1 teaspoon clarified butter. One teaspoon all-purpose powder, or it called garam masala. Now all over spread fried Radhuni powder and mix them well. Now the Bengali dish called Shukto are ready to serve. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. If the channel not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification.